Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to set alerts for overspending on Bright. Staying within your budget is easier when you get notified the moment you overspend. Bright allows you to set up overspending alerts so that you can catch financial slip-ups early and adjust your habits quickly. Start by opening the Bright app and logging into your account. From the main dashboard, tap the settings icon usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and select alerts and notifications. Now tap on spending alerts or overspending notifications. This will show you a list of categories like food, shopping, bills, and more. Choose the category that you want alerts for, like dining out or groceries, and set a monthly limit for each one if you haven't done that already. Once that's done, toggle on overspending alerts. This ensures Bright will send you a push notifications or email as soon as you go over your budget in any of these selected categories. You can customize the notification style, whether you want a gentle nudge or a strict warning, and choose whether to receive it daily, weekly, or in real time. Make sure push notifications are enabled on your phone settings so that you don't miss any alerts. This way, Bright becomes your personal budget coach, helping you stay disciplined and aware of your spendings. If this guide helped you stay on track financially, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick budget tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.